Forensic entomology is a fascinating and vital branch of forensic science that involves the study of insects and other arthropods to provide valuable information in legal investigations, particularly in estimating the time since death post-mortem interval and in understanding the circumstances surrounding a death. Here's an overview of forensic entomology, insect succession. Insect species have predictable life cycles and behaviors when it comes to colonizing decomposing bodies. Forensic entomologists use this information to estimate the time of death, the presence, development, and succession of insect species on a corpse can provide valuable clues. Blowflies and beetles. Blowflies are often the first insects to arrive at a corpse, laying their eggs on or near the body. The larvae maggots that hatch from these eggs can be used to estimate the post-mortem interval. Beetles, such as dermestid and carrion beetles, are also important in the decomposition process. Insect life stages. Forensic entomologists examine the various life stages of insects found on a decomposing body, including eggs, larvae, pupae, and adult insects. The age and development of these insects can be correlated with environmental factors and used to establish a timeline. Environmental factors. Forensic entomologists consider environmental variables, such as temperature, humidity, and habitat when estimating the post-mortem interval. Insect development is highly influenced by these factors. Insect evidence in court. Forensic entomologists may be called as expert witnesses in legal cases to present their findings. They can provide crucial information to help determine the circumstances surrounding a death. Case examples. Forensic entomology has been instrumental in many high-profile cases. For example, it was used in the investigation of the murder of Hell Crafts, where the presence of pupal cases of black soldier flies helped establish a timeline for the disposal of the victim's body. Limitations. While forensic entomology is a valuable tool, it has limitations. Factors such as insect species composition, geographic location, and environmental conditions can affect the accuracy of time of death estimates. Additionally, it is essential to consider other evidence in conjunction with entomological findings. Research and advancements. Ongoing research in forensic entomology has led to the development of more accurate methods for estimating the post-mortem interval. This field continues to evolve with new techniques and technologies. Forensic entomology plays a critical role in providing objective and scientific evidence in criminal investigations and can greatly assist forensic pathologists, law enforcement, and legal professionals in understanding the circumstances of a death and helping to bring justice to victim. The blowfly, often referred to as the common housefly, belongs to the family Calliphoridae. One of the most well-known blowflies is Lucilia sericata. The life cycle of a blowfly, like other flies, undergoes complete metamorphosis, consisting of 4 distinct stages: egg, larva maggot, pupa, and adult. Here is an overview of the life cycle of a blowfly. Egg stage. Duration. Typically, the egg stage lasts for about 8 to 20 hours. The adult female blowfly lays eggs near or on decaying organic material, such as animal carcasses, garbage, or feces. A female can lay hundreds of eggs in her lifetime. Larval stage maggot. Duration. The larval stage can vary widely based on environmental conditions, temperature, and species, but it usually lasts for about 3 to 7 days. The eggs hatch into larvae, commonly known as maggots. Maggots are legless, worm-like, and cylindrical in shape. They have a strong appetite for decomposing organic matter. During this stage, maggots feed voraciously on the decaying material, breaking it down and helping in its decomposition. Pupal stage. Duration. The pupal stage generally lasts for about 3 to 14 days. When the maggots have completed their development and are ready to pupate, they crawl away from the food source. Maggots transform into pupae inside hard, protective casings known as puparia. Pupria can be found in the soil or other sheltered locations near the breeding site. Adult stage, duration, adult blowflies emerge from the pupal. Casing after a development period that can last from a few days to several weeks, depending on temperature and species. Adult blowflies are typically about 6 to 12 millimeters in length and are characterized by their metallic, iridescent coloration. They have two wings and are capable of flight. The primary purpose of the adult stage is to reproduce. Blowflies are known for their rapid reproduction and can produce multiple generations in a single season. Blowflies are significant in forensic entomology because of their predictable life cycle, making them valuable in estimating the post-mortem interval when found near a decomposing body. The age and development stage of the blowfly larvae or pupae found on a corpse can provide important information to forensic investigators. Checked. Forensic entomology is a crucial branch of forensic science that utilizes insects and arthropods to aid legal investigations, particularly in estimating the time since death and understanding the circumstances surrounding a death. Key aspects of forensic entomology include insect succession. Insect species exhibit predictable life cycles and behaviors when colonizing decomposing bodies, helping estimate the time of death. The succession of insect species on a corpse provides valuable clues. Blowflies and beetles. Blowflies are often the first insects to arrive at a corpse, and their larvae maggots are used to estimate the post-mortem interval. Beetles also play a role in decomposition. Insect life stages. Forensic entomologists examine the various life stages of insects on a decomposing body to establish a timeline, including eggs, larvae, pupae, and adult insects. Environmental factors. Temperature, humidity, and habitat influence insect development and are considered when estimating the post-mortem interval. Insect evidence in court. Forensic entomologists may serve as expert witnesses, providing crucial information for legal cases. Case examples. Notable cases have demonstrated the importance of forensic entomology in criminal investigations, like the Hellcrafts murder case. Limitations. Factors like insect species and environmental conditions can affect the accuracy of time of death estimates, necessitating consideration of other evidence. Research and advancements. Ongoing research leads to more accurate methods for estimating the post-mortem interval, ensuring the field's continued evolution. Blowflies, part of the family Calliphoridae, are vital in forensic entomology due to their predictable life cycle, including the egg, larval maggot, pupal, and adult stages. The life cycle of a blowfly involves egg stage, lasts 8 to 20 hours, with females laying eggs near decaying organic material. Larval stage maggot lasts 3 to 7 days, with maggots voraciously consuming organic matter. Pupal stage lasts 3 to 14 days, with pupation occurring away from the food source. Adult stage. Adults emerge from pupae, varying in size and capable of flight, with a primary purpose of reproduction. Blowflies' consistent life cycle aids in estimating the post-mortem interval, as the age and development stage of blowfly larvae or pupae found on a corpse provide crucial information for forensic investigators.